Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add a photo to your video in CapCut. So initially all you have to do is once your video is done, or if you're just in the midst of editing it, you want to press overlay. So on the bottom right here you see edit, audio, text, and overlay. We're going to press on overlay, and now we just click on add overlay, and it'll take us to our photos. So I'm going to add the one on the top left. I know this is cringy. This is just for TikTok I was doing. And now we have added the photo, and we can mess with the photo size by just going onto the screen and minimizing it, and we can move it anywhere we want. Let's say I want it right here, minimize it a little bit more, bring it down. And we can also add animations to it. So on the bottom, you can see there's split, volume, blend, and also animations. We're going to click on animations, and we have all of these animations to choose from. I'm going to do the flash in, press the check mark, and there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.